AMI is a not-for-profit institute located on the main campus of USC with the mission to help investigators and faculty, staff, and students to take their medical device ideas and move them towards commercialization. We talk to people in all departments at USC, the medical school, the engineering school, the business school, biology, chemistry, pharmacy, dentistry, and anybody else who has a medical device idea that would like some help is welcome to come to the Institute and talk with us about their idea.
So the innovators who come to see us usually have a very philanthropic pursuit. They want to benefit society. And if they try to launch it by themselves, they discover that the world out there is an absolute nightmare. I lead the efforts of due diligence, where we as an institute start gathering all this information to see what is the business potential for this innovation and what are the obstacles.
One approach that the Institute takes in deciding on which programs to fund as internal projects is through the use of a pull model.
To create a product and try to push it down someone's store, it's a very, very difficult thing to do, and most likely it will fail.
We find programs that we're interested in funding, and then we examine them from the market perspective. So rather than just fund technology development and then look for a market, instead we go out and, in this case, patients and doctors and also payers, what they need, and then drive towards those applications.
And I was thinking, this can't really happen. You know, it'll be great, but it can't really happen, can it? And one of the great things about AMI is when I brought my idea to them, they were able to say, yes, this actually can happen.
Our prime focus is on medical device development. They can be very simple or they can be complicated. They can be external devices, they can be internal devices. We don't do drug discovery or pharmaceutical development or diagnostics.
It costs nothing to the inventors to come and see us. All this knowledge that we share, all this brainstorming time that we spend together is totally free of charge.
I think that the most exciting piece of being part of the AMI team is that we're continually looking at new technologies, but we're also looking at the clinical needs. So we're looking at what is out there, what needs haven't been met, and we're continually trying to figure out how to take technologies that we know of and use them to create new products, new devices that improve outcomes.
There was one pearl that I'd say to the group: make sure you're solving a problem, because the marketplace has no interest otherwise.